Hey team, JT Accessible here. Today we're going to talk about color contrast for Word 2016 for Windows and Acrobat Pro DC. What does color contrast mean? According to the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, that means we need to make it easier for users to see and hear content, including separating foreground from background, and we need to make sure that color is not used as the only visual means of conveying information, indicating an action, prompting a response, or distinguishing a visual element. We can go to the WCAG page for additional information. Evaluating color contrast in documents. Many color contrast tools are available on the internet. We'll use Contrast Checker to test our documents. Color contrast in Microsoft Word 2016 for Windows. The Accessibility Checker will not indicate whether or not a document has sufficient color contrast. We will have to evaluate the color elements manually. In the example, every instance of the word blue is in light blue text. Is this enough contrast against a white background? Let's find out. Finding RGB values in Word 2016 for Windows. Click inside the area of text to be checked, then select the arrow on the right side of the font color in the font menu. Choose More Colors from the Context menu. The Colors dialog box will appear. Select the Custom tab. At the bottom of the Custom tab will be the red, green, and blue channel values. We will use these numbers to test color contrast. In the example, the light blue is red 189, green 214, and blue 238. Using Contrast Checker. The text is considered the foreground. Open the Foreground Color Picker dialog box by selecting the color palette icon to the right of the foreground field. Enter the channel values obtained in, or use the sliders, to duplicate color to be tested. The background defaults to white, so no adjustment is necessary at this time. The test results are shown in the circles below. Green means pass, red means fail. Unfortunately, this combination of light blue and white failed every parameter, so it will have to be replaced. Fixing contrast issues. In this case, we have the option of just making all the text black. If we still want color, we can use Contrast Checker to find an acceptable value. In this example, we will just drop the red and green channels down to 0. The result, blue 238, is a pass for contrast. The final step is to add this to our Word document. Modifying color contrast in Word 2016 for Windows. Highlight the text to be changed. Return to the Custom tab of the Colors dialog box discussed previously. Enter the replacement RGB value, then select OK. Now everything's copacetic. Color contrast in Adobe Acrobat. We evaluate color contrast in Adobe Acrobat by entering Edit PDF mode, Tools, Edit PDF. Highlight the desired area of text. Click the font color square in the Format pane and select Other Color from the Context menu. The Color dialog box will appear with the RGB values we need. Use these with Contrast Checker as discussed previously. Note: some PDFs may not permit editing in this fashion. It may require use of an additional application such as Photoshop or Illustrator. It's in the way that you use it, and now you can use color contrast like a seasoned professional. Good job. Contact the IT Services Accessibility Workshop for additional information on how to obtain your Accessibility Black Belt.